Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of platform balance. 1. For accurate weighing, place the platform scale on a flat and stable surface. Level the balance using the leg ferrule adjusters. 2. While installing the PFB series, remove the 4 protective lock screws from the sides of the structure. 3. Remove the protective film from the weighing pan before use. 4. Calibrate the platform balance regularly. 5. Place the material in the center of the weighing pan for the most accurate results. 6. Do not perform any electric welding near the platform scale. 7. Do not exceed the maximum weight capacity of the platform scale. 8. Charge and discharge the battery regularly. If the balance is not used for a long time, the battery may stop working after a period. 9. Do not place items on the platform scale that exceed its capacity. 10. Do not store or operate the scale in environments outside the specified temperature range. 11. Do not store other equipment on the platform scale, even temporarily, when it is not in use or in storage. 12. Do not allow to accumulate on, around, or under the platform scale. 13. Do not install the platform scale near water. Ensure water does not accumulate around the scale and always provide proper drainage. 14. Do not let moisture get on or into any of the electrical connections. 15. Prevent static or other electrical discharges from passing through the scale. 16. Tighten all screws, nuts, and bolts regularly to ensure they are not loose. 17. Do not drop the platform scale when moving or installing it. 18. Do not move the scale with any weight on the platform. Minimize movement of the balance between locations. 19. Ensure the load cell and indicator are well connected. 20. Do not use the platform scale outside in the rain, and do not place the indicator directly in sunlight. 21. Ensure proper earthing. Thank you.